Let's look at another mediocre house design. So my student nailed the proportions, but the canopy should be at the same level as the slab for this particular level. The round window is a good idea, but the ellipse is off. Right. Problem is, again, we're going for symmetry, for a type of local symmetry. You should have another type of cut, really fine. I would reduce the window proportion here. Right. Yes, the metric is off. The levels are off. They're not equally spaced. They need to be spaced out equally. The stairs might be off as well. They need to be 1 centimeter tall. Right. 1.5 centimeters wide. This is starting to be a house that looks decent. To get to the next level, we need to show some transparency to show what's happening on the inside. Also, more entourage. More shrubs in the foreground. Maybe a tree that cuts through the imagery. Right. And this turns our drawing from mediocre to decent. So it's decent now. You can't hand it in. You can draw trees in the facade. Larger trees if you want. And our drawing is decent. Cool. If you found this crit useful, then I advise you join my free course. And take care, draw nicely.